Stop doing this manually. Automate it with AI. If you did the same task today that you did yesterday, you just wasted an hour of your life. Copy-pasting data, writing the same emails, formatting the same reports. Every repetitive task in your life is just a pattern. And AI is a pattern recognition machine, which means if it repeats, it can be automated. Automation 1. Repetitive emails. Save your most common email as a template prompt. Type, write this email again, but for new context. 10 seconds. Done. Automation 2. Data summaries. Instead of reading through spreadsheets, paste your data and prompt. Summarize the key trends and flag any anomalies. Your 45-minute analysis, done in 60 seconds. Automation 3. Meeting prep. Before every meeting, prompt AI. Here is the agenda. Give me 3 smart questions to ask and the key points to contribute. You walk in prepared, sharp, and confident every single time. Automation 4. Content repurposing. Take one piece of work, a report, an email, a presentation, and prompt. Rewrite this as a LinkedIn post, a summary, and a bullet point brief. 1 input, 3 outputs, 0 extra effort. The highest paid professionals in every industry are not doing more work. They are doing higher value work because they've systematically eliminated everything that doesn't require their unique human judgment. Follow Workflow Genius. Next, I'm revealing how freelancers are using AI to double their rates without working a single extra hour. Automation isn't lazy. Automation is intelligent.